So today, day 6, we have already completed unitary operator. Now today we are going to see different types of operator. Let's say after unary, we'll move towards arithmetic operator and we'll see the real-time example. What is arithmetic operator and what is the use of that, as well as the another different operators. Okay. So simply arithmetic operators. Matic. Right. So what is the use of this? Are you able to see, guys, all of you? Okay. It is used to perform the different types of operations in Java, such as, let's say, it is used to perform addition, thereafter subtraction, multiplication, and at last, these are the different operators that have been used to perform arithmetic operations. So first of all, directly we'll move towards the area. We'll start first code of an arithmetic operators over there. In the meanwhile, what let's say, who will tell me which data type is being used over here? Means a default, or you can say most probably which data type can be used, as it is an addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Integer.
Integer.
Integer, exactly. That will be used over here. We'll see the started. We'll create a new package over here in our program. We have completed in basics yesterday's code. We have been seeing object creation. This has been clear to all of you, right? So now let's move towards a new, we'll create a new package, new topic. That is an, let's say how to create a new package. This is our project. What's our project name? Java, core Java is our project name. Let's right click to it, click to new, click to package. Now, while creating a package, what should I give the name over here? Arithmetic. RITF. And why it's not start with blank? I think so. I given space over here. Invalid package name. Package name must not start and with letter, so that you will understand. Not change it. Operator arithmetic. Okay, so we are given that name. Now let's say I'm creating a class. Okay, I'm creating a class. Now that is our package name, operators. Okay, arithmetic operators. So I will give the name over here, Arithmetic. That is a name. Simply I'm giving this name to a class now. So public static void main. No. What I will do, I will add an again one simple name to it and finish it off. Okay. So over here, you know that what is the name of a class? Arithmetic add means what? It is in doing an program of addition, right? So let's say we have to take. So what is a prerequisite? What is a prerequisite of it? Simple. You can do in two methods, two ways. You can take two variables, a, let's say a, where one value is been stored, that let's say b, where another value is been stored, let's say 7, and we have to take third variable. Okay, I will do this code in two methods by two ways. Okay. Third variable where the result of this both of them is been stored, a and b. So how many variables we have been required?
Three.
How many
Three
variables?
variables.
Three variables required. Okay, one, two for initializing value and one for storing the value, the result of both of them. Now, which you will print in S out, so which you will print in S out so that we are getting the addition of these two. Yes,
C.
which one?
C.
Variable,
C.
yes, right. So now let's move towards the coding area. Okay, public static void main directly in a main program. No need to initialize anything over here. Okay. Which data type we are taking? Int a equal to, let's say 10 is the value which has been given. Next, int b, which value should I take? Let's say 23 I have taken. Now next we'll move towards, we'll take a third data type, third variable having a data type integer only. C equal to a plus b semicolon. Okay, sorry, semicolon I have given. Right. So what I will do now, what I will print now, simply now I will print, I will take simple yes out statement. See, so it's showing an error. If we are, this
Capital
is
C.
in capital and here I have used small, so it is showing me an error. Simply I would remove that and I would take this one. I'm getting a simple output over here, 33. So this is in one method, right? Okay. What if I am not using this? If I'm not using this, I didn't want to use this and directly want to perform the operation. Don't want to use the third statements. How can I do it?
A plus B.
Where should I write a plus b?
And system out println.
Whether it will work?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Let's let's check, guys. That's why yes. O a plus Right? Let's check what output it gives. It's working. So you can do in two ways. Okay. Else you can do directly a plus b in yes out statement, or simply what you can do,
ऍड यूज करून
store the third element in an C and print that third element. Right. Both the ways works properly. Okay. This is an addition of simple two things. Now, of any number of variables, you can take multiple variables and you can do the addition or subtraction or multiplication. Let's move to the second part. I will create another code. Now we'll take two operators in and one. Let's say now we'll take subtraction and multiplication in one. So I'll create a new code again. Is this one completed from your side?
Yes, sir.
Great. So let's do another one. I'm taking another class now. RI. Now subtraction and multiplication. I'm using this subtraction and multiplication and I'm finishing it. I've created a class with the name of arithmetic sumo, that is subtraction and multiplication. Now again over here, the same thing I will use. Okay, we'll use. Now let's try with float. We can try with float, right? Yes or no? Float
Yes.
a equals to 2.3 f semicolon f l o 8, sorry, b equals to 7.8 or 1.5 f. Let's say what I want to do, both the things I want to do, subtraction and multiplication. So in this case, should I use which statement will be easier for me to do this? To store the value of C or directly by using yes out. So let's say we'll do by both the method. Let's say I'm taking float C equals to A plus B, that is 1. Now, let's say I want to do multiplication with same number, same variables. So again, I have to take float D equals to A, sorry, A into B. I have done a mistake over here.
सर
It would be
ए इक्वल
minus,
टू बी झाले
okay, A minus B and A into B. Okay, so by this method, yes, yes, Sandeep, so you are telling something.
हा सर तिथं ए ए इक्वल टू बी झालं होतं
Okay, now same, yes, system twice O, control plus space button. Now D. Simply, this is an one method we can do. So this is an result we guys have been getting, right? So instead of this, simply, if you didn't want to use, if you want to remove this one sentence, D1, how can you do that? Simply
Again,
A,
A divided by B and A into B.
no, it's minus we are using. A into, that's it. Simple one. We are getting the same value. Okay, there's also one thing, and S Y S O control tab A, enter S Y S O tab, now D. By this method also, now at this case, see it's showing an error, guys. You are getting it. You're getting it. So what should I have to remove here? One also, as well as this one also. Okay.
Sir, in third system out state, it should
Here
be
it
C.
should be C. Exactly, Amar. Okay. So we'll try to execute now. See, we are getting the same things, same result. Clear, all of you? Did you got this point? So we can do in two ways: directly passing an yes out statement A minus B or A into B or C D. Okay, so we can reduce the step over here. Else we can do that. Okay, so you got it: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we'll see now. Sorry, guys. So we'll see the next to that is what? Division. Okay, and module. Okay, so we will see what it gives. So we will take a next code. That is a third operator. Had you guys completed till over here? Hmm? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm taking a new code over here. Matic. Now what has been there? Heavy division. Let it be. Let's do this again. Now can we use short? Now can we use short? Let's try with that. Or A equal to 1. B equals to, here we'll use 2, and here we'll use, we'll take a greater number. E is equal to 4. Now directly yes out statement A, A, B, A divides. So what put you all are getting? 2, right? And third way is what? Equal to A, A, B, semicolon. Okay, an error. Why it's showing an error, guys?
Change data type.
Hmm? Why it was? See, I'm doing Control Z. It is showing an error. What it is saying? Cannot convert into short. Means can we use short for conversion purpose? So which default data type it has been required for converting? Which has been required?
Integer.
Integer is been required. Why? Because the range of short is less. Okay. It is, I think so, to 4 times range has been less than integer, right? So what it's saying? It's saying just convert to integer. So let's say we have converted it to integer now. Yes, Y, yes, O. At the starting only we have cleared this point. C. Right. See the result. Okay. Now let's say just one operation again. After this, we'll try to take, let's check whether model has been possible with the help of short. So sometimes what happens, they gives a simple code in a machine test, and it tells that they use short, they use an short over, and it tells what is the error into this. So you are not having any machine over there to run it. So you should be having a clear idea in your mind. Short is not been used actual when we have been doing an division. Why? Because of its range problem, right? Got it? So now let's say D is equal to A. Okay. Module B I'm using. See, it is also showing the error. You got it, guys? Hmm? Clear? So here also SYSO here D. Okay. So I'm trying to run this code now. You got it? 220. Okay. Hmm? Let's say I'm using 3 over here now. Result will get automatically changed. Okay. It is giving a round figure value, right? When we perform actually, it will show a different one. Okay. Let's say here it would be 9, then the result would get changed. That would be an D now. So you got it. And see it's taking, so let's say here it was been 8. काय करत होतं ते 8 असेल तर काय? How many times it was been taking? Only 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, and it's not using 3 threes are 9. Why? Because that number was been not there. That's why it has been taking only up to 2 increments. See, got it? Clear all of you? Clear everybody? Till here? Now you can sum up this code into an only one. Okay, you can use over here only simple thing. Let's say I'm committing this. Let's say we have used all the things over here, or we'll do one different code. I will use new class. Okay, what I will do, not allowing small letter. Okay, let's say I'm using this one now. removing this, take this a bit down. Okay. So how it works? Simple. I want to perform all these four operations, all this subtraction, division, multiplication into and one code only. So how can I do it? I will use integer. Why? Because it has been a default data type and will use for all purposes. Int a equals to, let's say, 42. Take a bit of greater number. Int t equals to 21. And simply, now you cannot use the third one over here. Let's say I'm using c equals to a plus b. So at each and every time, what I want to do, what I am being required to do, int c int d is equal to काय करावं लागेल मला प्रत्येक वेळेस परत परत एक स्टेटमेंट घ्यावं लागेल. Which one? A minus b, then
सर मायनस इक्वल टू झालं सर.
okay. So f equals to a into b. Then this has been getting, see, hectic. At each and every time I'm changing this again. Int a equals to a divided by b, and at last int g equals to a module. Okay, by this method, if we are taking by this method, so each and every time I have to use this number of yes out statements again. So rather than doing this simply directly, what I would take, I'm doing a multiple comment over here. Okay, I'm entering it. Simply I will use yes out statement, sy yes o. Okay, I'm using here a plus b directly, plus b by yes o, a into b o, a, sorry, a minus b b a module. That's it. So in an one code only, you can perform all these 5 arithmetic operations. Okay, so let's try to run it now. So you can get all the answers over here. 63, 82, 212, and 0. Clear, everybody? Everybody is clear with this arithmetic operator code?
Yes sir.
This is an one way. Again, we'll do one code after this. Take a new code class over here. Now, simple. I'll take and name operator. I'm doing example. Operator example I'm using. So what it's telling, I've taken a small letter at a time. So I'm taking it and capital one. So here, simply, instead of that, directly SYSO, what I'm trying to do, see now. Okay, see, 10 into 10, okay, divided by 5 plus 3 minus 1 into 4 divided by 2. Is it right or wrong? Is this code will give me a result or not? Hmm? Is this code will give me a result or not?
Yes,
No.
sir, it will.
Hmm? See, it's giving me 21. So here I have not declared anything. I've directly taken the number. This will also works, right? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Let's say I'm doing 20 over here. So it's giving me an output of 41. Let's say I'm taking 5 over here. Again, it will change 33. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So done up to this. Had you done this code?
Yes.
So, so we have seen today what we have seen today, arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, and module operation. So the default data type which has been used known as integer. If we are using short, the drawback of short is that when we have been converting it or when we have been performing any operation, it is showing that showing the error as what you have been seen while performing the coding, right? So if you guys say this is very easy in a day-to-day life, we perform or we do this operation. So I think so it's been quite very easy to understand you. If you're having any type of doubt into it, so please let me know. And further parts, left, right, shift operator, we'll see it tomorrow. Clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I think so everyone has been completed this operators. Okay. Should I stop the recording now?